Manufacturing industries are important to the economy of the country. Although these industries are important, they could also cause environmental pollution. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to identify manufacturing activities which are sources of pollution. Malaysia is moving towards becoming an industrialized country. More factories are being built to cater to these needs. By building more manufacturing plants, Malaysia will be exposed to more pollution. Activities within the manufacturing industrial process, such as the agricultural industry, the construction industry, and the generation of electricity, are the main source of pollution. The two major activities that contribute pollutants to the environment are the burning of fossil fuels and the indiscriminate disposal of toxic chemical waste. Fossil fuels are coal, natural gas, and petroleum used for energy. Toxic chemical waste are the byproducts of industrialization, which contain substances such as heavy metals that are toxic and reactive. Let us take a closer look at the sources of pollution. The progress of industrialization may cause pollution if they are not properly managed. They emit a lot of pollutants to the environment. The main gaseous pollutants are sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, and carbon monoxide. There are also suspended particles too tiny to be seen by the naked eye that pollute the environment. Let us examine the pollution caused by the various industries. One of the most significant sources that contribute to pollution are manufacturing industries. Industrial process emits a lot of toxic gases such as nitrogen monoxide, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and sulfur trioxide. These gases dissolve in the atmospheric water vapor to form acids which fall to the earth as acid rain. Another gas pollutant is carbon dioxide. Although this gas is not toxic, it contributes to the greenhouse effect and global warming, a general increase in the temperature of the Earth. Power stations also contribute to air pollution. Power stations and industrial boilers use fuels with high sulfur content. As a result, large quantities of sulfur dioxide are emitted to the environment. In the developed nations, power stations are one of the major contributors to air pollution. The construction industry also contributes to land pollution. Construction waste such as debris, unused materials such as concretes, beams and cement pollute the environment if they are not properly disposed. The land that was used to dispose construction waste cannot be used for any other purposes until it is cleaned up. Another major source of pollutant is the agricultural industry. This industry can be considered from two angles. One is the plantation industry and the other is the rearing of livestock. The rearing of livestock results in much toxic effluent and discharge from the livestock. The plantation industry involves the use of pesticide and fertilizers that contain chemicals. Both the livestock discharge as well as the chemicals used in the plantation industry could pollute the land and also groundwater. Drag and drop the pollutants in the appropriate boxes of manufacturing activities.
Your answer is correct.
Click on the correct answer. Power stations emit a high volume of A. Ammonia, B. Sulfur dioxide, C. Carbon dioxide, D. Hydrogen gas.
Your answer is correct.
Which of the following substances may cause heavy metal poisoning by the manufacturing industry? A. Tin, B. Lead, C. Magnesium, D. Aluminium.
Your answer is correct.
A major pollutant from the agricultural industry is A. Acid rain, B. Heavy metals, C. Construction waste, D. Discharge from livestock.
Your answer is correct.
The discharge of industrial waste into rivers and ponds is known as A. Effluent, B. Soot, C. Haze, D. Dust.
That's not right. Please try again. Your answer is incorrect. This is the correct answer.
The industrial process emits toxic gases such as A. Ozone and nitrogen dioxide, B. Carbon particles and ozone, C. Carbon monoxide and sulfur dioxide, D. Hydrogen chloride gas and carbon dioxide.
Your answer is correct.
In this lesson, we learnt manufacturing activities which are sources of pollution. One, industrial process. They emit toxic gases and heavy metals to the environment. 2. Agricultural industry. Effluents from livestock and waste from insecticides. 3. Power plants. They generate sulfur dioxide as the pollutant. 4. Construction industry. Unwanted construction materials such as broken concrete and unused cement. Heavy metals exist naturally in the Earth's crust. They cannot be degraded and can enter our bodies via food, drinking water, and air. Click the info button to learn more about it. Heavy metals such as arsenic, cadmium, lead, and mercury are dangerous because they can cause bioaccumulation. Bioaccumulation occurs when the concentration of a chemical in a biological organism increases over time, compared to the concentration of the chemical in the environment. Exposure to lead can result in biological effects depending on the level and duration of exposure. It can cause problems in the synthesis of hemoglobin and affect organs like the kidney and the reproductive system. It can also cause damage to the gastrointestinal tract and joints, as well as cause acute or chronic damage to the nervous system.